When you think about Dungeons and Dragons in the modern age, it's easy to think about grids and dice and miniatures and big expensive sets. So the question is, do you need a map to play D&D? In the old days, Dungeons and Dragons was all about a bunch of friends sitting around a table and listening to one person talking at you, waiting for your reply to their challenge. This level of imagination is one of the reasons the game became so popular, because it was a sort of shared experience, a world that everyone imagined in their own way, and yet at the same time, everyone was present. You didn't always need a map, and the DM would just guide things as they saw fit. Obviously, a map makes things easier to keep track of, especially when you have larger battles, but the wonderful thing about Dungeons and Dragons is the imagination required to take part. But I'm a firm believer that adults don't lose their imagination, we just forget how it works. Dungeons and Dragons helps remedy that. There's a reason so many 40, 50, and 60-year-olds love the game. It connects with a childlike desire to create that's inherent in all humans. So to answer the question, you don't need a map if the DM can paint everything clearly. Maps are helpful, but definitely not necessary. Now, if you can splurge on those badass sets and miniatures, it only enhances the experience, but a great DM can do more with just their words than a shitty DM can do with all the sets and money. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this answered the question about maps and whether or not you even need them. I know for me personally, I try to not use maps unless necessary because I can move the story further, faster. Let me know what you think in the comments below to all my fellow DMs out there. Do you use maps religiously? Thank you so much for sticking around, adventurers. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your Displacer Beasts, and we'll see you next time.